We are MicroAge Regina. We have about 35 employees. We look after a lot of small, medium, and businesses from an IT perspective, looking at their IT challenges and making sure that we're adding value in the services we do. A lot of those challenges are the evolution of IT and making sure with a lot of the cyber threats out there that, not only are we protecting them from a cyber perspective and from a security perspective, but a recovery perspective. And I think a lot of challenges that Microsoft puts out for us is, saying that we have all these great ways that we can, use and create data, but not always having the best way to be able to recover that data should something negative happen in their environment.
Yeah, I think when we came across AvePoint, it really was timely in that we had some deficiencies in our world as it relates to what was getting backed up within the Microsoft ecosystem. Essentially, Microsoft, as we know, is one of the leaders as it comes to cloud technology and within the business environment, and they're adding additions and applications to their environment all the time. That adoption in our cloud environment has been tremendous, and we've needed to be able to back it up for our clients. On that data, the environment, the structures of the environment is so vitally important when it comes to a disaster recovery plan, essentially, and being able to offer that business continuity to our customers. AvePoint really hit the note on every single one of those aspects, allowing us to provide the protection we need to add the value we can for our customers. That was vitally important. In terms of that business continuity, we wanted to provide that backup service to our customers through the transition period. Jack and the team were able to really come to a solution that benefited us as well as our customers as we onboarded and on-ramped our customers essentially. We needed to maintain that backup environment on the previous provider so that if anything happened during the transition, we still had something to fall back on. We had used the previous provider for our customers for the last 5 years essentially, and we needed that backup retention in place. AvePoint was really amazing with that. They'd come to a proposal essentially that gave us the 6 months to onboard our customers, and that made it really simple to make the decision. We offered for our customers to maintain their existing backups for those that wanted that, and some of those opted in for that for an additional year and at a reduced price. And AvePoint was really the only reason we could make the switch and make it so seamless while still offering that continuity for our customers as well as ourselves, and the peace of mind, because AvePoint really, that's what they do for us, is provide that peace of mind for our customers, because if they backed up and they secure, we can sleep at night.
Well, the thing that I really respect is having some back-end training for my front-facing sales team. It's important for them to have some of that technical knowledge and in a structured manner. As leader of an organization, if I have to go hunting for all this documentation, it can be painful. And on top, it's really difficult to get some busy sales reps to be able to take the time to read some of that technical documentation. So you have a great platform where you can learn and acquire the skills to be able to position it with our clients. I'd say reevaluate your cloud backup solution and give AvePoint a try. Just give them a conversation, because I think it's important. It took some digging for us to uncover some of the deficiencies in cloud backup, and we took a lot of time to finally find that partner in AvePoint that looks after it. And as an MSP, there's lots of other priorities.
Yeah, and just to add to that, it really is, from an MSP perspective, our jobs is to add value to our customers and ensuring that their world is backed up essentially. Have a look at not only your workload, but their workloads and where those deficiencies are, as Jason says, because I am really certain that you're going to uncover a lot of deficiencies in your current backup provider as it relates to the workloads that your customers are using. Yeah, whether it be Project or Visio or Teams messages, whatever that is, there's so many little nuances within and little secrets within the AvePoint environment that adds that value and ensures that all the workloads within the entire tenant are backed up. And that's really, really key and important, because the last thing we want is for our customers to say, hey, I need this restored right away, I deleted by accident, and it's like, oh, sorry, we don't back that up. Nobody wants to have that conversation with their customer.